West Virginia. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Carroll County and east central Ohio, Columbiana County and east central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson County and east central Ohio, northwestern Beaver County and western Pennsylvania, northern Hancock County and northern West Virginia, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from East Rochester to Mechanicstown and were moving east at 40 miles per hour. This line of storms is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mechanicstown, East Rochester, Millport, Salineville, Guilford Lake State Park, Lisbon, Latonia, Wellsville, Columbiana, Newell, Beaver Creek State Park, East Liverpool. This is a dangerous line of storms. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.